Hello students, today I will revise about general characters of kingdom fungi and its classification. First is types of organism. It's a unique kingdom of eukaryotic heterotrophic organisms showing extracellular digestion. They may be unicellular, means made up of single cell, or multicellular, made up of many cells, and filamentous. In filamentous, cells are attached end to end. Fungi are commonly found in warm and humid places. Nucleus. Cells may be multinucleated, made up of many nuclei, or uninucleate, made up of single nucleus. Body. Multicellular organisms consist of body called mycelium. So this is the mycelium. It's a cottony mass like structure in which a number of thread or fiber like structures called hyphae are present. So these are the hyphae, or hyphae collectively forms mycelium. The hyphae may be with septa. That time it is called as septate hyphae, or without septa. Here septum is absent. It is a septate hyphae. A septate hyphae, that is non-septate hyphae, consists of many nuclei. So it is called as sinusoidal hyphae. Cell wall is composed of chitin, fungal cellulose. Cell organelles. Well-organized membrane-bound cell organelles are present, like Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, but chloroplast is absent. Nutrition. Exhibit heterotrophic mode of nutrition, and most of the members are saprophytes, living on dead and decaying organic matter. Absorbs food which is decomposed, digested outside. Some are parasitic, that is living in and on the body of an living organisms. Reproduction. They reproduce both sexually as well as asexually. And asexual reproduction takes place by fragmentation, fission, and budding. Some fungi are symbiotic, that is mutualism. This fungi either lives with algae, it is called as lichens, or as mycorrhiza, that is in association with the roots of higher plants. Classification. On the basis of structure, mode of spore formation, and fruiting body, fungi are classified into 4 types, that is Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. Phycomycetes. Members of this class are commonly called as algal fungi. They consist of a septate sinusoidal hyphae. Septum is absent and it is multinucleated. They grow well in moist and damp places, over on decaying organic matter, as well as in aquatic habitat, or as parasites on plant. Example, mucor, rhizopus. The difference between mucor and rhizopus is, in mucor there is a single sporangiophore, whereas in Rhizospus, from same origin, there are 3 to 4 sporangiophore. Albugo, it is a parasitic fungus on mustard. Ascomycetes, commonly called as sac fungi, are multicellular. Rarely they are unicellular. Example is yeast. So yeast is a unicellular fungus. Hyphae are branched and septate. So septum is present, so it is septate hyphae. They can be decomposers, parasites, or coprophilous, which grows on dung. Some varieties of this class are consumed as delicacy, such as morels and truffles. Neurospora is useful in genetic and biochemical assay. Example, Aspergillus, Penicillium, Neurospora, Claviceps, Saccharomyces. This is unicellular Ascomycetes, that is yeast. Basidiomycetes, commonly called as club fungi, have branched septate hyphae. Example, Agaricus, mushroom, Ganoderma, that is bracket fungi, Astilago, smut, Puccinia, rust. Deuteromycetes, group of fungi which are known to reproduce only asexually. Sexual reproduction is uncommon or not found. Commonly called imperfect fungi, are mainly decomposers, while few are parasitic. Example, Alternaria.